Hey guys, welcome back to the Dohm Speed Shop. This episode, I'm going to give you a toolbox tour of my 5-drawer US General Service cart. I'm Nick, let's check it out. So welcome back guys. So I got this 5-drawer tool cart a couple months back. I actually filmed a video assembling the cart. And it's been a great cart. Great upgrade from my previous one, which is a black Mac Tools Jesse James edition cart that was a single drawer. And I was just running out of room for that. So decided to upgrade to this one. And let me show you how I got set up now. So on top here, got a bunch of these Braun lights. I got them when they first came out, so they're all yellow. Otherwise, they'd be green. Common theme with my toolboxes. That one's the worst of the three for wear. Got two there. Got one over here. Got this big cordless Braun floodlight, which lets out a tremendous amount of light, and doubles as a power bank, so that's pretty cool. Got this huge magnetic tray in here. Another light. I swear I feel old because I can never have enough lights now. It's just like a thing. Anyways, flexible light, some more magnetic bowls, some old school Black & Decker bits, razor blade. Got these Blue Point flip sockets over here that are in between sizes. This one's got a 21 and 21 and a half, 19 and a half and 18 and a half, 22 and 22 and a half, and your 27 and a half and your 11/16. Now, if you haven't tried to change a wheel on one of the more modern cars, that's why those are there, because the lug nuts swell up. Your sockets don't fit right. Like my other set of lug nut sockets right here with protective sleeve on the socket for wheels. Your all-around go-to ones. Some more magnetic bowls over here. Got some Hyper Tough mini pry bars. DeWalt number 2 bit. Got a couple sets of these impact adapter socket adapter bits, I should say. Why 2 sets? Because you'll break one when you need it most. Interchangeable DeWalt bit driver. Right now I got number 3 in it, and these are just some odds and ends for bolts. And of course on top you got your Rock Auto magnets and your favorite NASCAR driver. Essential. On the side of my car here I got my paper towels, got my Ulsa tools, hand wipes, work for tools too. Got my propane tank, my mass airflow sensor, my glass cleaner, my starting fluid, WD-40, and brake lube. Yeah, nothing too exciting there. Alright, so first drawer, gonna start on the left. Got my Sonic Tools sampler set right here. Still trying those out, still breaking them in. Got some bottle openers. One's a gear wrench, the other is a random one. Got some Icon socket adapters here, and a Flexhead 3/8 Pittsburgh ratchet. Cannot say enough good things about this ratchet. This is my second one, only because my first one lives in my truck now. And you know, the green handle. Green box. Yep, there's a theme here. Alright, moving on to the next drawer. I got my Icon extensions. I got my Quinn spark plug socket set. Got the spark plug sockets that was on sale. Actually, I haven't got the opportunity to use these yet, so. But it's better to have it and not need it than not need it, not have it. Tuesday was. And Wednesday. I have them. I have them is what I'm saying. Alright, now this next drawer on the right. Got an older NiCad snap-on screw gun. Still holds charge, so I'll use it till it dies, then, you know, it'll go somewhere. Got my old DeWalt 20-volt impact driver. This one's on its last legs. I got a replacement in the big green box, but for now, I'm going to finish it off. Got a Matco 1/4-inch cordless ratchet. Old brushed one. This is the 12-volt. Got this used. Love it. Got the old Milwaukee brushed M12 3/8 ratchet. And a extended 3/8 Matco, was this 16-volt lithium cordless ratchet. This guy's a beast. If you've paid attention in the Corvette build series, this guy's used a lot. Alright, so this middle drawer here. This drawer was recently just reorganized. Picked up these Icon, the metric set of the anti-slip combination wrenches. Got these like a week or so ago. Haven't got a chance to use them yet. But I've wanted to pick this set up just for the anti-slip, and we'll give them a go. See how they work. And then I got these 4-way wrenches from Icon. Got these both when they had that 40% sale on the Icon wrenches. Thought it'd be a solid set to pick up. Then I got the Quinn low profile sockets down here. These are awesome. I've used only one or two, and they save your butt when you need them. Then in the front of the drawer, hiding here, got my pry bars. Pretty sure all my pry bars are Mac except for one, which would be this Titan brand indexing pry bar. Love this guy. That's pretty much it for this drawer. Oh, but before I close up this drawer, there's one tool I didn't show you, which is this flathead screwdriver. Now, it looks like any beat flathead screwdriver, except for it says Chrysler miscellaneous award on it. So I saw that. I'm sure it's a novelty, but I thought it was cool enough to hold on to. So, in the drawer goes. Now the next drawer is mostly where I'm storing stuff for a future endeavor. Bunch of unopened die-hard tools. So in here I got a 3/8 socket kit. Standard and metric, deep and shallow. Got this pick set in here. Got this Allen Torx and E-Torx set. This ratcheting bit screwdriver. And then these are leftover also tool organizers from when I was organizing the big green box. So, kind of storing the tools I'm saving for a future endeavor. But I have them. And since I showed the rest of the box, let's go downstairs to the junk. So I got my knee pad, got a step stool, extension cord, got battery charger, old snap-on light that I'm not sure why I hang on to, but you know, can't Can't seem to throw it out for some reason. Also because it still works. And I got my pump back there for my quick jacks. So this has been a quick video showing how I got my current cart set up and kind of going through where I'm getting comfortable with it. I used to never store tools in my carts. They're more or less just something I could work out in the driveway, throw the tools in the cart and drag it in here. So I put away the tools in 3 to 4 weeks when I can't find anything anymore. Yeah, now this is organized. I can find stuff. Nothing too exciting, but I will show you a future project. My most recent bad decision, thanks to Facebook Marketplace. Picked up this 42-inch US General box, and previous guy got rid of all the drawers. Now, me and him were in conversation. I told him if he finds the drawers, let me know. I like them. But, yeah. Thinking about what to do with this now. Don't know if I'm going to punt it, or if I'm going to turn it into something. Ideally, I'd like to turn this back into a box so I can get rid of the black DeWalt's. All my boxes are green. And so I got, like, the other wrench drawer. So, we'll see. Alright, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time here from the Dohm Speed Shop.